Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the some basic concept of chemistry, in which we take the some different types of basic concept that is help to us the how to identify the different types of a compound, its a physical properties, its a chemical properties, its a chemical reactions, it's so on. Okay? So today we discuss here the some basic concept of a chemistry, like that of we discuss here the first one. So we take the first point here, that is called as the what? Atomic number. What here? Atomic number. Second, atomic mass number. Third, we take the isotopes. Fourth, we take the isobar. Clear? So we take the one by one here. Clear? So first of all, what is the atomic number? You know that in the modern periodic table there is a how many element? So there are the 118 element in the modern periodic table. What here? In the modern periodic table. Clear? Okay. So in this periodic table, first of all, you know that these periodic table are discovered by Henry Moseley, is the name of scientist. Okay. So each element have a different physical properties, different chemical properties, as well as different reactivity. So depend upon the number of atomic, depend upon the electron, proton in the given element. So there are different types of element, its atomic number. Clear? So अभी यहाँ स्टार्ट करना है बेटा आपको एटॉमिक नंबर मीन्स व्हाट. क्लियर? जो अभी ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है बेसिक है बेटा, जो आपको जो एग्जाम्स जो भी है फाउंडेशंस की जो एग्जाम होती है, फॉर एग्जांपल सीईटी वगैरह जो नीट एग्जाम होगी ना, तो आपको जो बेसिक आपका क्लियर होना चाहिए. अगर आपका बेसिक क्लियर होता है तो आगे की जो भी रिएक्शंस है, ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री बोलो या इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, आपको समझ सकती है. ठीक है? तो व्हाट इज एटॉमिक नंबर? सो द एटॉमिक नंबर इज डिफाइंड एज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ electron or proton in a given element called as atomic number. Called as atomic number. The symbol of atomic number denoted by the symbol Z. This Z indicate the what? Symbol of atomic number. Clear? What is their definition? The total number of electron or proton in a given element called as atomic number. For example, we take the carbon. So carbon have a atomic number is 6. So that's why the atomic number of carbon is what here? 6. It means this 6 indicate the carbon contain a 6 electron or proton. Because what the definition is there? So the total number of electron or proton in a given element called as atomic number. That means the atomic number of carbon symbol C is what? 6. This 6 indicate the what? Z. Z को तो what है? Atomic number. Okay? इन्हें आपको याद रखना है बेटा, जो भी कोई एलिमेंट होता है वो एलिमेंट का जो एटॉमिक नंबर होता है इक्वल टू क्या होता है? उसके इलेक्ट्रॉन और प्रोटॉन. यानी अब देखो यहाँ पर जो कार्बन है उसमें कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन रहेंगे? 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन. What here? 6 electron, symbol E negative is a symbol of electron, and 6 what here? P positive called as proton. It means the total number of electron or what here? Or proton in the given element called as atomic number. That is called as the carbon is atomic number is 6 because it contains 6 electron or 6 proton. Clear beta? Okay. Now we take the next atomic mass number. What do we take second here? Atomic mass number. You know what is atomic mass number? So the total number of proton and neutron. Okay? What here? The total number of proton and neutron in the given element called as what? Atomic mass number. The atomic mass number are denoted by the letter what? Capital A. This capital A is called atomic mass number, whereas Z is called as what? Atomic number. Clear beta? what is the atomic mass number? The total number of proton and neutron in a given element called as the what here? The atomic mass number. For example, the atomic mass of a carbon is 12. What here? 12. Whereas the atomic number of carbon is what here? 6. Clear? It means the carbon contain how many proton? 6 proton. And how many neutron? 6 neutron. So 6 plus 6, 12. So the total number of proton and neutron in a given what here element called as atomic mass number. Now how to calculate the number of neutron? So if you calculate the number of neutron in a given any element, we take the what here? The formula A minus Z. Clear? So A called as what? Atomic mass number. Z called as atomic number. What is atomic mass number of carbon? 12. And what is atomic number of what here? Carbon? 6. So 12 minus 6 equal to कितना होगा बेटा? 6. It means these carbon contain 6 what here? Neutron. This N indicate what here? Neutron. So the total number of neutron how many? 6. And total number of proton how many? 6. 6 plus 6, 12. That's why the atomic mass of carbon what here? The 12. यानी अगर बेटा आपको डिफाइन समझ में नहीं आती है तो हम एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. व्हाट इज डेफिनेशन ऑफ द एटॉमिक मास? द टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन. सो हाउ मेनी प्रोटॉन इन द कार्बन? 6. Electron also 6. We take the only proton. So how many number of proton? 6. And the total number of proton and neutron. How many neutron? 6. 6 plus 6, 12. It means the atomic mass of carbon is 12. Clear beta? The total number of electron, not electron, proton we take here. The total number of proton and neutron in a given element called as what here? Atomic mass number. Clear? How to calculate the number of neutron? We take the formula. अगर आप किसी भी एलिमेंट के न्यूट्रॉन को निकाल सकते हैं तो फार्मूला को यूज करेंगे हम A माइनस Z. A called एटॉमिक मास नंबर, Z called एटॉमिक नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कार्बन have the atomic mass is 12, whereas the atomic number is 6. So 12 minus 6, how many remaining? 6. It means the carbon contain how many neutron? 6 neutron. Clear beta? Now second example we take here. The second example, what is oxygen? Symbol O, atomic number 6 and atomic mass is 16. Some element have a atomic number is double to the atomic mass. Clear बेटा? ऐसा कभी कभी ऐसे होता है बेटा, कुछ एलिमेंट्स के अंदर 80% जो एलिमेंट होते हैं, 80% जो एलिमेंट होते हैं जिनका एटॉमिक नंबर जो होता है उसके डबल एटॉमिक मास होता है. तो 8 plus 8, 16. Clear? So this Z indicate what here? Z. This O indicate 8 is the Z and 16 what here? A. It means the atomic number of oxygen is what here? 8, symbol Z, whereas the atomic mass number of oxygen is 16A. Now calculate the number of neutron in the given oxygen. So we take the formula what here? A minus Z. A called is what? Atomic mass. How many? 16 minus what here? Z. 8. So what we get answer here? 8. It means these oxygen contain how many neutron? 8 electron. 8 neutron. ठीक है? Clear? So what is atomic mass number? The total number of proton. How many proton in the oxygen? 8. And number of neutron. 8 plus 8, 16. So that's why it is called as the atomic mass of oxygen. What is 16? Clear बेटा? डिफाइन समझ में? क्या डिफाइन लिखा हमने? The total number of proton and neutron in a given element called the atomic mass number. Clear? Okay. Now we take the next here, third point, isotopes. What here? Isotopes. Some element have the atomic number is different and mass also what here? Different, depend upon the element. Clear? So what is isotopes? So it is defined as what here? The elements which have the what? The element which have the same atomic number but different atomic mass number called as the isotopes. Some element in the periodic table are shown the isotope in nature. These isotopic element और isotopes element are used in the treatment of cancer. ये याद रखना बेटा. The some element or what here the isotopes nature of the element which are used in the treatment of what here cancer. Clear? So what is isotope? So it is defined as the element which have the same atomic number but different atomic mass number called as what here isotopes. For example, we take the example here isotopes. ठीक है? So if we take the example of isotopes, what here hydrogen 1, ठीक है 1, हाइड्रोजन 1 1, हाइड्रोजन 1 2, हाइड्रोजन 1 3. Clear? So what indicate here? So it is defined as what here the two elements which have the same atomic number but different what here atomic mass number. So it is called what here isotopes. Hydrogen show the three types of isotopes. One is called what here 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. तो अभी हम लोग एग्जाम्पल को नहीं देखते, एग्जाम्पल तो देखते हैं हम लोग. ठीक है, तो व्हाट इज इंडिकेट हियर 1H1, 1H2 और 1H2, 1H3. सो इट इज डिफाइंड एज द एलिमेंट विच हैव द सेम एटॉमिक नंबर 1 1 बट डिफरेंट एटॉमिक मास नंबर 2 3. दैट्स व्हाई दिस हाइड्रोजन आर शो विथ नेचर आइसोटोप्स इन नेचर. क्लियर बेटा? क्या याद रखिएगा आपको, अगर एलिमेंट्स के Z मतलब एटॉमिक नंबर सेम है और A मतलब एटॉमिक मास नंबर डिफरेंट है तो इसे क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग आइसोटोप्स. क्या बोलते हैं आइसोटोप. फॉर एग्जांपल हाइड्रोजन शो द आइसोटोप इन नेचर. व्हाट हियर 1H1 और 1H2, 1H3 सेम एटॉमिक नंबर डिफरेंट एटॉमिक मास नंबर कॉल्ड एज आइसोटोप्स. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट फोर्थ आइसोबार्स. व्हाट वी टेक हियर द आइसोबार्स मीन्स व्हाट हियर. So isobar means what? So the element, it means the isobar is opposite to isotopes. Means what? That is the isobar is defined as the element which have the different atomic number but same atomic mass number called as the isobar. Clear बेटा? याद रखो the element or the two elements which have the same different atomic number but same atomic mass number called as what here the isobar. Clear? For example, we take the example here magnesium 12. Clear? Then we take the sodium. What here? So sodium we take the 11 comma neon. Also we take then the form of what here 10 or we take sodium 10, neon also 10. The sodium 10 is contain a plus charge because actually the atomic number of sodium is what 11. Just one electron lost, so charge will be positive. ठीक है? So the element which have the same atomic number but different atomic mass number, so it is called as what here. So it is called as the what isobar. The element which have the same atomic number what here but different atomic mass number called as what here the isobar. Sorry गलत हो गया. What is isobar? What is isotopes? The element which have the same atomic number but different atomic mass number called as isotopes. Isobar means the element which have the different atomic number but same atomic mass number. For example, calcium and potassium. Calcium is the 20, potassium is the 90, but here the atomic mass is same. ये याद रखना है बेटा आपको. So the element which have the same what here atomic mass number A but different Z को atomic number called as iso what here isobar. देखो बेटा एक बार confusion मत हो. The two element which is the same atomic number but different atomic mass number called as isotope. For example, hydrogen 111 is the same Z means atomic number, A is different called atomic mass number, whereas isobar means what here? The element which have the different atomic number means Z is different but A is same. A called is their atomic mass, so it is called what here? Isobar. क्लियर है बेटा, याद रखेंगे आप. और एक चीज़ और याद रखो बेटा, the element which have the atomic number is 10. It means this indicate this element contain a 10 electron or 10 proton, but different neutron depend upon the what here the formula. For example, the calcium which have the atomic number is what here 20. It means calcium contain 20 electron or 20 proton but different neutron. How to calculate neutron? Neutron are calculated by the formula A minus Z, जो आपको मैंने बताया बेटे यहाँ पे. क्लियर है? ओके ओके. व्हाट इज एटॉमिक नंबर? सो इट इज डिफाइंड एज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन और इलेक्ट्रॉन. ये देखो यहाँ पे फॉर एग्जाम्पल कार्बन हैज एटॉमिक नंबर इज 6 मीन्स इट कंटेन टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन 6 और प्रोटॉन इज 6. So it is called what? Atomic number. What is atomic mass number? It is defined as the total number of proton and neutron. So how many proton in the carbon? 6. And how many neutron in the carbon? To calculate by the formula also what? 6. 6 plus 6, 12. That's why the atomic mass of carbon is 12. Third, what is isotopes? It is defined as the total what here? The two element or the elements which have the same atomic number but different atomic mass number called as isotopes. For example, hydrogen, same atomic number, different atomic mass number. Next, isobar, the two element or elements which have the same what here atomic mass number but different atomic number, or different atomic number but same atomic mass number called as isobar. क्लियर है बेटा? तो ये 4 टॉपिक इजीली आप याद रखोगे. क्लियर है? इसके बाद जो टॉपिक रहेगा हमारा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे हम लोग हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, हाउ टू राइट द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द वैलेंसी, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. ये 3 टॉपिक हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे. क्लियर है बेटा? ये समझ में आया आपको कि जो भी एलिमेंट में एटॉमिक नंबर अगर जिसका एलिमेंट का एटॉमिक नंबर 10 है तो उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन भी 10 रहेगी और प्रोटॉन भी 10 रहेगी. न्यूट्रॉन कैसे निकालेंगे हम लोग? फॉर्मूले के जरिए से. बट in the whole periodic table it contain 118 element. The one element that is the lightest element, what is that is the lightest element in the periodic table which does not have a neutron. So which element? So the hydrogen, a element which does not contain a neutron. यानी जो 118 एलिमेंट है बेटा 118 एलिमेंट, उसमें से जो 1117 एलिमेंट है उसमें सब में क्या होता है? n कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर? न्यूट्रॉन. बट one is the element that is called as hydrogen which does not contain a neutron. How to calculate? So we take the what here? Hydrogen symbol H, atomic number 1, atomic mass also 1. So to calculate the what here? It is called as Z, it is called as A. To calculate the what here? Number of neutrons, we take the formula what here? A minus Z. A is 1, Z also 1. So it is called as what here? 0. It means the hydrogen will contain a 0 neutron. What here? So the hydrogen is contain a 0 electron, that's why it is the lightest element. ये याद रखो बेटा. और ये क्वेश्चन नीट में आता है आपको कि which element, और CET में आएगा which element which does not have a neutron? hydrogen. So that's why due to the does not contain a what here number of neutron, it is the very lightest element and it is starting from the periodic table. शुरुआत कहाँ से periodic table की PD की? PD कॉल्ड एज periodic table की शुरुआत कहाँ से? हाइड्रोजन से, क्योंकि वो लाइटेस्ट एलिमेंट है और इसीलिए उसमें न्यूट्रॉन नहीं है. ठीक है? ओके बेटा, तो यहाँ हम लोग रुकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.